Hello students, in this video we will discuss about find the equation of tangent and normal of any curve. Equations of tangent and its normal of a curve is very important topic. Let y equal to f of x is a curve and its graph drawn here. Suppose this is a graph of this curve y equal to f of x, and we take a point r here and a line drawn touches at r to this curve. This line is known as tangent. This line is, suppose this is the AB line, this line is known as curve, tangent to the curve. Now I want to find the equation of this tangent, that means AB. First, equation of tangent. As you know that AB is a straight line, and in the 11th class already you have studied equation of a line whose tangent is given and passes through the given any point. Suppose this point is x1 and y1. Coordinate of our point is x1 and y1. As you know that equation of a line, since equation of a line passes through a point and given its slope d, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. If slope bm and point b x1 comma y1, then this is the equation of that tangent. Now how to write the equation of this tangent? By using the derivative. I write here by using derivative. Now as you know that how to find the slope of tangent by using the derivative, since slope of tangent to the curve y equal to f of x is denoted by dy upon dx. dy upon dx equal to f dash of x is denoted by m. This is the slope of tangent of the given curve. Therefore, slope of tangent at point r whose coordinate is x1 comma y1 is equal to dy upon dx, means m equal to dy upon dx at r whose coordinate is x1 y1 is equal to f dash of x1. Now since in this equation you can see here there is two things are required to write the equation of this tangent. First is this tangent passes through which point, that means point is given x1 y1, here this is the x1, this is the y1. And second thing, what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is m, and in this if we using the derivative for this, then here m equal to dy upon dx. Now we can write the slope of tangent. Therefore, slope of tangent will be, equation of tangent will be y minus y1, because this tangent drawn at the point R whose coordinate are x1 y1 of this curve, y minus y1 equal to, on the place of m we can write dy upon dx into x minus x1 x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. Now we can write with the help of this equation of tangent, we can write the equation of normal. What is the normal? If a line drawn from R passes through R and perpendicular to the tangent, this is known as normal. If we want to write the equation of this normal, that means this normal also passes through same point x1 y1, but this line means normal is perpendicular to the AB line. So first find what is the slope of this normal. Since we know that slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Therefore, this will be equal to minus 1 upon dy upon dx. And normal passes through the same point x1 y1, and this is also a line. Therefore, equation of normal will be y minus y1 is equal to slope of normal is minus 1 upon dy upon dx into x minus x1. This is the equation of normal. Now in the next video we will take one example related to this topic.